Over the past 4 years, more than 145,000 workers have been injured in New South Wales workplaces as a result of manual tasks. More than 1,300 were permanently disabled. An MSD, or a musculoskeletal disorder, is a disorder of the skeletal system. So it includes sprains and strains, joints, ligaments, bones, tendons. So an injury or disorder to the actual skeletal system. MSDs can take time to actually develop, and when someone gets hurt, it can be hard to find out what it was, because it can be different tasks adding up. The most common tasks that attribute to MSDs in the workplace would be the handling of loads. So when workers need to lift, lower, push, pull the products that they're actually manufacturing off the conveyor line, throughout the warehouse, wherever they may be. Slip, trips and falls as well, so in relation to housekeeping can be a main cause of MSDs in the workplace as well. You tend to find it's the repetitious nature of doing the same task over and over again can sometimes mean that people don't think there's a problem, or they go, yeah, we know there's a bit of a problem, but it's what we do as an industry, so that's why it can be a little bit harder for some workplaces to actually try and go through and tackle those problems. Within the manufacturing sector, there's been some good initiatives that you see when you're out on site. A good one from the kitchen manufacturing industry would have been when workers need to cut the boards up to make the kitchen. So they'd get a big piece of plywood or MDF, they'd cut it into smaller squares to actually make a box which makes a kitchen. Quite a few of the smaller manufacturers would actually design their own trolley, where it actually had slots, and so a worker was still physically handling the wood, but they're actually then placing it standing upright onto a purpose-built trolley. So they were actually eliminating the need for a worker to reach and bend. Consultation is the key to really good safety and finding problems. Look for the risk factors of force, repetitious movement, vibration, posture. Definitely don't rely on safe lifting technique training as its own control. You should be aiming to use higher level controls, fix a problem at the source, so redesigning, some really good mechanical aids can help, and just follow that simple process of looking for the risk factors while talking to your workers.